Good morning, Scots. I'm Ashira.
Happy Wednesday, I'm Hannah.
Let's get into the announcements for today.
First, Sadie's tickets are still on sale at the finance office.
Tickets are $15 with ASB sticker and $20 without, and will be $25 at the door.
Tickets are on sale before school, lunch, and after school.
Last day to buy is Thursday at lunch. See you at the dance on Thursday.
Second, Scots, if you want to be a part of the award-winning Winter Color Guard team, auditions are today after school from 5:30 to 8:30 p.m. and Thursday, November 16th from 4:10 to 5:30 p.m. in AD.
Both days are required, and make sure to bring water, athletic, and dance attire.
If you have questions, see Mr. Salem in AD during lunch.
Third, students and teachers at Highland. The Parent Center is doing a Thanksgiving food drive this year to help out Highland families in the community.
Donations could be dropped off now till November 17th at the Parent Center.
Now we are going to a commercial break.
Welcome back, everyone.
Now it's time for sport information.
Hello, Scots. It's time for sports. I'm Julian Medina.
Hello, Scots. I'm Silas Alva.
Here are some sports announcements.
First, wrestling tournament is happening Friday and Saturday.
Second, if anyone's interested in playing boys tennis in the spring, should come to room 6A during lunch tomorrow. This meeting is to be for informational players. No prior tennis experience is necessary, just a desire to learn and improve.
Third, girls cross country won SYC Valley League last Thursday at Riverwalk Park.
Congratulations, and let's go, Scots. Do you like playing League of Legends or Rocket League? If so, stop by 7H after school Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays.
Let's go back to our host, Scots.
That's it for today.
And remember to
Plat up.